Okay, so let's take a look at how you can embed OpenStreetMap into your Drupal article or page. So what you can do is go to OpenStreetMap and go to the location that you wish to embed. Let's see, if I want to embed something from United Kingdom, okay, Isle of Skye, okay, let's go there, right? So if I want to put this into my Drupal page or post, what I can do is find a way to embed this. So let's say share option here, click on that, and it has link to embed, short link for you to add, as well as iframe HTML. Here you can see it is pretty big code. We can copy that. Now what we can do is go to Drupal and choose a page or post we wish to embed. Now go to its edit options. Now editing this should open in text editor. Click on source. Now find a place where you wish to embed this and paste the code. Now save that particular article or page. Okay, once saved, we can scroll to that bottom. Here you can see OpenStreetMap is now embedding that particular region that we checked on OpenStreetMap. Okay, this applies to page, so sorry, for content, which is our article. Okay, so go for page. Now click on edit. Process is pretty much same. You check your text box in source and add that particular iframe code. Make sure that your text editor text format is set to full HTML. Now save that text box. Right, now here you can see OpenStreetMap map is embedded. Right, so you get the idea how to embed OpenStreetMap map into Drupal article or page.